The benefits for teacher. The full coverage. Remember it is a system. We have developed more than 1,000 full coverage. It is a system. We have developed more than 100,000 of the PowerPoints and in 150 to 200 course, video course. The course. Chinese as a secondary language. From beginning, from the kindergarten, preschool Chinese to the different exam. For the British system, the GCSE, IGCSE includes the Cambridge IGCSE and Edeo GCSE and IGCSE and also AKA GCSE and also A1, A2. And also for the IB syllabus, IB Chinese Set B, standard level and high levels. We have the course for this. For the HSK 汉语水平考试 the Chinese proficiency test, we designed the intensive reading course from SK1 until HK6. For business Chinese, we also have the business Chinese for the beginner, the basic business Chinese, and also the advanced business Chinese, including reading, writing, and speaking. For people or for students who want to improve their spoken Chinese, we have the spoken Chinese, the basic spoken Chinese, and also the speak Chinese in 10 hours, which cover 300 sentences. Writing Chinese, we have the writing course to illustrate how to write Chinese course. We call it how to write Chinese course. The rule how to write Chinese characters in 90 minutes. For the pinyin, if some student needs more practice in pinyin, we provide the Chinese pronunciation system, the video course pinyin. Also the grammar, especially for students who prepare for the GCSE, IGCSE, IB exam, we give all the grammar point which cover in the syllabus. For IB and also GCSE and A1, A2 course, maybe you need some Chinese culture course. We have it. And we also have the origin of Chinese characters course, which currently I have fully covered and convert into video for more than 1,500 characters. This will focus on a single character, then expand into the vocabularies and the sentence. And in 2018 version, we also include the situational conversations inside. Share we know the best and the best we know. We also have the Chinese vocabularies. Some students call this one as life saving. We collect 2,500 vocabularies from the GCSE syllabus and IB syllabus, put them together, then classify into total 50 topics, some such like the looking for a job, school subjects. This will help students, especially when they prepare some topic. It's a quick reference. In 2018 version, we also give some sentence and more situational conversation inside. And then I convert into the classified vocabulary into the whole video course. Even within the single vocabularies, we also give the HSK classification to show how what's the difficulty of these single vocabularies? Maybe SK1, easy. SK6, hard for you, but try your best. The HK classification is minor, but is very significant. It will encourage students to learn more. We also have the common synonym comparisons. You can consider this one as advanced grammar course for SK5 and 6, and of course for the IB standard level and high level, and also for the A1 and A2 students. We also give some course like learn Chinese through the summary of the movie and through the summary of the book, and also the children's storytelling. This will make the learning process more enjoyable. For the advanced learner, we also provide the classical Chinese like Lao Tzu and Art of War with the best possible English translation. Remember, we are not only give you a course, a book, we give you a whole system. It is a system, not just a textbook. The systematic way of teaching, structure knowledge, and topic-oriented, and best teachers know-how explanations, and full coverage. That's why we dare to say we give you a system. We are developing a whole system. So there are many marketing programs. You can choose any one or any combinations. There must be something suitable for you. Please refer to all marketing program videos. We also give the private Skype tuitions and also the corporate trainings. As part of Chinese culture, we also give the Tai Chi, fitness, and Qigong course. Share we know the best, and the best we know. We are confident in this area. Please, you're welcome to join our marketing program. Be part of us. See you there. 再见。